Hey guys, what's up? This is AK from Akshar's Techno World, and with me today I'm gonna review this gaming mouse. This is one of a kind. This is the Logitech G402 wired optical mouse, and as you can pretty much see from the image itself, the hell it looks. It's really good. You can see the number of buttons available: the regular left mouse button, the regular right mouse button, the click, and the scroll. And along with that you get some really awesome buttons. As you can see, you get one button over here, one button over here, and one button over here. And this is not the end. Actually, we have one button over here and one button over here, so in all we have 8 buttons. So it's really good. And it has got some really nice specifications also. Logitech says that it has a fusion engine hybrid sensor, which sounds pretty good, and it has 8 programmable buttons, 3 the regular buttons and 5 the extra buttons it has, which I just told you a bit ago. And it has on the fly DPI switching, which is done with the help of these buttons and this button. These are the DPI switchers, and actually we can just change them to program them the way we want them to work. It's really good. And it has got a 32-bit ARM processor and 1 millisecond report actually, and it has got high speed clicking. The response time is pretty good, and it has got a really long cable. No need to worry about that. It's pretty long. It's I'm not sure of the exact length, but it's over 1.5 meter in length. Maybe it is 1.5 meter in length. I'll have to confirm that. And the DPI resolution ranges from 240 up to 4000 DPI, which is really awesome. The maximum acceleration of this mouse, which this mouse supports, is greater than 16 G, and the maximum speed is 500 IPS. And I've actually tested this on G240 gaming mouse pad, not this one, it's other one, but the speed may vary depending on the mouse pad, the kind of mouse pad you are having. And the responsiveness is really good. And as I already said, it has got a 32-bit microprocessor. And yeah, and regarding the weight, it may sound a bit heavy on just taking a look at it, but it's actually pretty good. The mouse along with the cable weighs 144 grams, and the mouse without the cable weighs 108 grams. And actually I just confirmed, the cable is 7 feet long, so that's pretty long for the regular needs. And as you can see, the design wise, it's pretty good. It's really awesome. And it has got rubber finish over here, pretty good to hold in hand. The way we hold it in hand, it's really comfortable to hold. You can see it just fits completely in the palm. A mouse rest, the thumb rest here. We can just click the mouse buttons. We can just reach over to this button pretty easily. Really awesome. And also the buttons are pretty clicky. I guess you could have heard the sound of that. It's really awesome. This right over here, these 3 lights, these are the DPI showers. They actually tell the DPI setting which currently is being activated. So those are really pretty easy to change on the go using these buttons, using this one, and this one. This is the turbo boost button, used in FPS games for just turbo blast. I don't know what to say about that, but yeah. And what was I saying? Yeah, the buttons are pretty much clicky. Logitech provides a complete software to customize this mouse, but the bad part is that it does not come within the stuff that they actually ship it with. I mean, you'll have to download it from Logitech website. I'll leave the link to that in the description down below. You can check that out. And this mouse also fully supports Windows 10.